Hello friends, be careful about cleaning liquid metal. See this CPU, it's a Tiger Lake H series CPU. See this earl area have liquid metal. See this machine problem is power on but no display. See earl area have liquid metal. If you want to clean liquid metal, be careful. Okay, don't spray it to areas. Step by step using to remove liquid metal. Okay. Friends, I clean earl solder and liquid metal and our reballing chip is now. See, see friends, my job is done. I reballing process is done. See this CPU. I do liquid metal remove from the CPU and reballing CPU and reinstalling. Job is done.